All right, guys. So if you look right there, that's a 7-gallon bucket. And what I did, and this is not my idea, an individual on a Facebook group, Pond Management, I think, he was like, look, I got on there and I was like, hey, does the whole pigs in ponds thing work? And everybody was like, yeah, if you pump your pond out, you put your pigs in, but some people said that once the pigs disappear, the pond still loses water. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a thing called glying, I think, Gleying, glying, and it's the pressure of the pig hoof combined with their wallering around in there and their poop and all that, and it seals the pond. It's kind of like a natural. They say you can do it with geese as well. I haven't tried it with geese. I've heard this is why all these leaves are in here. Somebody told me that I can just shoot a lot of leaves in my pond. And speaking of shooting things, I guess my neighbors are doing a little pew. But where was I? Oh, the leaves. I put the leaves in here. But I was on that Facebook group and this guy said, look, take a bucket, weight it. This is weighted. It's got cement in the bottom, leftover cement from another project I had, and this just happened to work out perfect. Bury the bucket in the water. Yesterday I put this in here, and the rim of the bucket was at the water surface. That's what I did. I made sure that I sunk it in there so that they were at the same level. And basically what you're looking for is if you fill them both up, and the bucket stays full and the pond goes down, you've got a leak in your pond. If they go down together, these are at the same atmospheric conditions and the same sun exposure and wind exposure and temperature. If they go down together, it's evaporation. So, and that's what I thought. I had a huge leak. Well, it turns out that I may have just evaporation. This has gone down about a 1/2 inch on the bucket, and we're about a 1/2 inch out in the bucket. So I'm gonna leave it in here for a week or so and just keep an eye on it daily. But that's really all there is to it. If you think you've got a leak in your pond, go get a bucket and some of these things. What are these called? I don't know what these are called. Get some of these waders. Get some waders. And these are cheap Chinese off Amazon. I don't know the name, but they've been great for me. Get you some waders. Ooh, I think I just stepped on a turtle. Yeah, I definitely just stepped on a turtle. All right, anyway, we'll leave turtle alone. But get you some of those, give this a shot, and see if it works for you. All right then, thanks for watching.